In this video, we're going to look at how to print envelopes using the iPad. Now, I'll start by saying this is not going to be a tutorial on using a function called mail merge. Mail merge is where we populate the contents of a series of envelopes or a series of letters using information from a separate spreadsheet. The mail merge function simply isn't available on the iPad on any of the main word processing apps at the moment. I'm looking at some workarounds. I'll see what I can figure out. And if I do manage to get mail merge working in some way, I'll put that in a separate video. But this tutorial is going to be looking at printing individual envelopes. So there are three main word processing apps on the iPad. We have Microsoft Word, Apple's Pages app, and Google Docs. Only one of those three apps have inbuilt templates for envelopes at the moment, and that's Apple Pages, which we can see here. Now, there aren't many envelope templates to choose from. They're all roughly one size. That's not quite what we're looking for, especially if you want to print a different sized envelope to what we have here. So what we need to do is create a document where the dimensions are the same size as your chosen envelope. So out of those three main word processing apps, only Apple's Pages allows you to create a custom document size. Microsoft Word and Google Docs currently only let you choose from a preset list. So if you want to create a custom document size that's going to be the same size as your envelope, you will need to use Apple's Pages to build that template. It's very easy to export that document out into Microsoft Word or into Google Docs, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But we do need to use Apple's Pages as a starting point. If you don't want to use Apple's Pages, stay tuned towards the end of this video because I've built a set of templates which will be available. Some will be available to the public and some will be available to my Patreon supporters. And I'll show you how to import those templates into your chosen app, be that Word, Pages or Docs. So let's have a look at Apple's Pages first of all. What we're going to do is going to create a blank document. We're just going to go under the basics section from our templates, choose blank. Now this is a standard sheet of paper size. What we need to do is adjust it so it's the same size as our envelope. So what we're going to do is tap the icon in the top right corner, which is a circle with three dots inside, and it brings up this menu. If we go down to where it says document setup, we're going to click or tap on that. And then you'll see we've got letter A4 and then it says custom size. So I'm going to choose a custom size, and this will allow me in my version of Pages to enter in the specific dimensions in centimeters. It might display inches depending on which country you're in. So for my envelope, it's 22 centimeters wide and 11 centimeters high. So once I've done that, I'm going to choose done. Now you can see my document has resized to the size of my envelope. From here, I can type in the address, typing whatever you want. And then if you want to print that, we can go back to our three dots and we can print that envelope. If we want to export this template size, because remember we can't build custom templates in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, we can export this template. Under the same three dot menu, we can go to export and then we can choose Word, and Word is compatible obviously with Microsoft Word, but it's also compatible with Google Docs. From there, the share menu appears. And if I scroll along my apps and go to more, it brings up a list of all the apps I can export to. And within that, you will find Microsoft Word and Google Docs. So copy to Word or copy to Docs. And that's how you will create your own custom envelope size using Apple's Pages and either printing that or moving it over to Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Now, if you don't want to bother with that, I've created a set of templates that you can download from my Patreon page. There's two posts. There's a public version, which has a series of templates available for US and UK or EU envelope sizes. If you are a Patreon subscriber, you do have access to a lot more templates. So this is the public list that you can see on my Patreon page, and you'll find a link to this in the description below. And I'm going to choose this envelope size here, DL, the DL size, which is 220 millimeters by 110. So I'm going to tap on that. And it's a Google Drive link. So this is the template we've got here. And if you want to open it in Google Docs, you'll see the button at the top which says open with Google Docs. I can tap on that and it'll open the document inside Google Docs for you to edit and use. If you want to open this template in either Microsoft Word or Apple's Pages, we need to download it first. So in the top right, the third icon in, we've got one that says download. I'm going to click, or you can tap on that. It'll ask you whether you want to view or download it. Choose view. And you'll be greeted with this enormous white screen. That's because it's a blank document. So what we need to do now is export this into Microsoft Word or into Pages. So I'm going to tap the share icon, which is in the top right hand corner. It looks just like the share menu that we saw before. I'm going to scroll along my list of apps and go to more. And these are all the apps, once again, that I can export to. And within this list, you can see copy to Pages, copy to Word, and you can also copy it to Google Docs if you want to do this method instead. Once you open it up in that app, you can save a copy of it to your Drive, to your Files app, to OneDrive, to Google Drive, wherever you want to save it. And then you've got that template to keep and to reuse however you want. As I said earlier, Patreon supporters do have access to a lot more templates, and this is a list that I will add to from time to time depending on what sizes people want to use. If you're not a Patreon supporter, please do consider subscribing. I have 3 membership levels available for you to subscribe to. These envelope templates are available to all 3 of those subscriber tiers, and there's all sorts of other things that you'll get over the coming weeks and months, including early access to upcoming videos, more templates, exclusive videos, video credits, and so on. So please do consider supporting me on Patreon, particularly if you found this video useful. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with some more iPad tutorials.